All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me. And in this video, while you guys are at home, probably quarantined or whatever the hell they call it right now, I have a short video for you guys today. And I want to say big thanks to you guys, old and new subscribers. I've been seeing some of you guys who've been subscribed to the channel for years that are still commenting. That is awesome, especially the new ones. Hey, if you guys are still new to the channel, I appreciate it. Keep commenting down below. It really does help out the channel. But anyways, I want to say big thanks to Mitch for coming to the channel. I invited him to come to the channel and have him personally tell you guys about a product that he has, which actually I had on my WRX beforehand. But since I was down in Portland for work and he was local, I said, hey, come on over and let everyone know what you got going on. So he didn't want it to sound like a sales pitch, so he was very quick, short, and straight to the point about what he has going on. But anyways, I got to get this out the car, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna have Mitch tell you guys about what he has going on with his product. So here you go.
Hey, Mitch here from Mele. Just want to say a quick thank you to JR for having me on the channel. We've been big fans for quite a while now. I want to come on and talk about a couple of our product lines that we have out. First things first, I want to talk about our tried and true Mele 600 series battery mount. This is the thing that started it all for us about 2 years ago. These things we've adapted to fit about 25 different vehicles, pretty well known in the Subaru market at this point. These mounts allow for 5 different batteries currently. Pretty cool little product. It's got a lot of nice uses, from shedding weight from the nose of your vehicle to helping clear charge pipes. As we can see here, a little bit of battery rub, which some folks don't really like. One of our other product lines I'd love to briefly highlight and talk about, it's new for the Subaru market, is our 900 series battery mount. This little bad boy allows you to choose 6 different batteries, both AGM and lithium options, just like we have in the 600 series. It still clears charge pipes, sheds a little bit of weight off the nose. We're kind of targeting the folks that are doing a lot of airbag modification for these. It's got enough power to let you power your bags and or some mild sound system upgrades, subs, that kind of thing. One of the most common problems in today's tuner scene, especially relative to GR and VA chassis Subarus, is when you go front mount, they've got to route your charge piping down up and around the battery. As you can see, this is very common with most brand aftermarket intercoolers front mounts, that there's a clearance issue. By opting with either of our Mele mounts, we design them specifically to clear most branded front mounts, so that it gives you plenty of operational room. You're not rubbing on silicone couplers, you're not rubbing on charge piping. And I think it's a pretty worthwhile thing to address. And just to let you all know, confirmed fitment so far for the GR and VA chassis for front mounts is Cobb, PRL, ETS, and Perrin. One other thing, with our at least small 600 series, we're able to clear Cobb's flex fuel sensor, so that you don't have to try and figure out custom mounting for that as well. Yeah, you can check us out on the website. I'm sure we'll drop some links in that. If you have any questions, shoot me your JR question. We'd love to answer them. Appreciate it.
Solid mount, it's on there, it's good, I'm happy. Much more room as far as the intercooler piping goes, no longer rubbing. That's the main point of this video. There you go. If you're interested in a battery mount from a Mele design firm, check out the link in the description below. But anyway, short video for you today, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.